Number 1. Ford Ranchero Custom. Price, $4,000. Located, San Diego, California. Kicking off the list with a true early 60s car-truck hybrid, this 1962 Ford Ranchero Custom blends classic styling with pickup utility. Under the hood sits the dependable 144 inline-six paired with a manual transmission. Finished in blue with a black interior, it delivers that vintage California cruiser vibe. This project already has major upgrades. New radiator, water pump, hoses, master cylinder, drum brakes, brake lines, alternator, original gauges, and fresh tires. Paid off and ready for restoration. The Ranchero helped launch the car-based pickup movement in America. If you want an affordable classic with strong bones and huge potential, this is a smart entry-level investment. Number 2. Ford Mustang II Coupe. Price, $3,000. Located, Walnut Creek, California. Next up is a second-generation Mustang with V8 power. This 1977 Mustang II Coupe features a 302 V8 and automatic transmission, finished in blue over blue interior for full late 70s style. The car was running before plans for an engine pull stalled the project. With 89,000 miles and 2 owners, it's a solid foundation for someone ready to bring it back to life. The Mustang II kept the legendary Mustang badge alive during the fuel crisis era. Affordable V8 Mustangs are getting harder to find. This could be a budget-friendly muscle revival. Number 3. Chevrolet C10 Short Bed. Price, $3,500. Located, Chico, California. Here's a classic short bed pickup with timeless lines. This 1960 Chevrolet C10 regular cab features a manual transmission and eye-catching orange exterior with blue interior. It's currently not running, but the body is described as very clean and comes with a pink slip. The short bed configuration makes it especially desirable among collectors and custom builders. The 1960 C10 represents the beginning of Chevrolet's modern truck era. Whether you're thinking patina build, LS swap, or full restoration, this truck is a strong platform at a great price point. Number 4. Mercury Comet. Price, $4,000. Located, Fair Oaks, California. This 1961 Mercury Comet is a true smog-exempt daily driver powered by a 170 inline-six with a 3-speed manual column shift. Blue exterior and turquoise interior give it authentic early 60s charm. Manual steering, drum brakes, vacuum wipers, and even a rare Unity spotlight mirror add to its originality. It runs, drives, and handles long trips, though it has minor vibration and slight brake pull. The Comet was Mercury's compact answer to changing American driving needs. Reliable and road-ready, this is an honest classic you can drive while you restore. Number 5. Ford Mustang Grande. Price, $1,950. Located, North Las Vegas, Nevada. Here's one of the most affordable V8 Mustangs on the list. This 1972 Mustang Grande comes with a 351 V8 and automatic transmission, finished in red. The carburetor is missing and it's been sitting for a few years, but the body is described as solid with a clean title. Interior condition is reportedly good, making this a promising restoration candidate. The Grande trim added comfort and style to the early 70s Mustang lineup. For under $2,000, this is serious muscle car potential waiting for the right builder. Number 6. Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Price, $3,500. Located Elko, Nevada. Before luxury SUVs dominated the roads, there was the Jeep Grand Wagoneer. This 1964 example comes in white with blue interior and automatic transmission. With 50,000 miles showing, it represents early American SUV history. Details are limited, but it's paid off and priced competitively. The Wagoneer was one of the first true premium SUVs, decades ahead of its time. If you're looking for vintage 4x4 style with collector appeal, this classic Jeep is a unique opportunity. Number 7. Volkswagen Baja Bug. Price, $1,999. Located, Santa Rosa, California. This 1971 Volkswagen Baja Bug project screams West Coast off-road culture. Finished in yellow with black interior, it features skid plates, Nerf bars, roof lights, custom fuel cell, and dual-port engine setup. It's currently non-running and needs engine and brake work, but the body and pan are described as very solid. Clean California title included. The Baja Bug became a 1970s desert icon thanks to its lightweight simplicity. At this price, it's the perfect father-son project or weekend off-road build waiting to happen. Number 8. AMC Rambler Classic 660. Price $1,000. Located Albany, Oregon. Budget classic alert. This 1963 AMC Rambler Classic 660 features an inline-six and 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Gold exterior with white interior keeps it true to the era. It ran and drove when parked, has working brakes, rolling tires, and only surface rust reported. Title paperwork can be arranged through bill of sale. AMC built Rambler models as smart, economical alternatives to larger sedans. At just $1,000, this is one of the most affordable 60s classics on the market today. Number 9. MGTD. Price $3,500. Located Vista, California. Here's classic British roadster styling with Volkswagen reliability. This 1953 mg TD replica runs a 1,680 cubic centimeters VW engine on a 1968 Beetle chassis, paired with a manual transmission. Green exterior and brown interior capture vintage European charm. It runs well but may need a professional tune-up down the line. The original MGTD helped spark America's love for imported sports cars in the 1950s. If you want open-top classic style without high maintenance costs, this is a fun and affordable cruiser. Number 10. AMC Rambler. Price $3,000. Located Yucca Valley, California. Rounding out the list is this 1968 AMC Rambler 4-door sedan. Powered by an inline engine with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, it offers authentic late 60s American character. The seller has it running and driving with added air shocks. Blue exterior gives it subtle sleeper vibes, and it's ready for the next direction. During the late 60s, AMC positioned the Rambler as a practical alternative to the Big Three. If you're looking for something different from the usual Mustang or Camaro crowd, this Rambler stands out with personality and classic appeal. Number 11. Ford Econoline E150 Cargo. Price $3,400. Located Bellflower, California. Here's a classic straight-nose work van with serious vintage vibes. This 1965 Ford Econoline E150 Cargo comes in bold yellow inside and out, powered by a 6-cylinder engine with automatic transmission. It's currently not running and needs the fuel line connected, but floors are solid and rust is reportedly minimal. It's out of the DMV system with duplicate title and bill of sale situation, so buyers should verify paperwork locally. The early Econoline vans became icons of 60s surf culture and custom van builds. If you're dreaming of a retro shop truck or vintage cruiser van project, this is a cool and affordable starting point. Number 12. Chevrolet El Camino. Price $2,500. Located Arcata, California. Classic muscle meets pickup utility. This 1966 Chevrolet El Camino runs solid but needs transmission linkage repair. Finished in black, it carries that mid-60s street machine attitude. The trim is mostly complete, and the bed is in great shape. Rust is reportedly limited to the transmission tunnel area. Title location is Vacaville, California, and the seller states the price is firm. The 66 El Camino represents Chevrolet's golden era of performance styling. These car-based pickups are increasingly collectible, making this an affordable entry into true American muscle utility territory. Number 13. Ford Galaxy. Price $2,700. Located Newport, Tennessee. Big body, big presence. This 1963 Ford Galaxy comes equipped with a 352 V8 and automatic transmission. It's complete, engine not running, but reportedly not stuck. Finished in blue over blue interior, this full-size Ford has classic early 60s highway cruiser appeal. Clear Tennessee title included, dealer-owned. The Galaxy was Ford's flagship full-size model during the height of Detroit's horsepower wars. With strong V8 potential and iconic styling, this is a solid restoration candidate for anyone wanting vintage American iron. Number 14. Ford Pinto Wagon. Price, $2,950. Located, Scottsboro, Alabama. Here's a surprisingly clean survivor. This 1973 Ford Pinto wagon features the original 2.0L OHC 4-cylinder with a 4-speed manual transmission and power front disc brakes. Stored indoors for over 20 years, it's been revived with new master cylinder, spark plugs, carpet, and refreshed fuel system. It runs good, shifts smoothly, and brakes strong. Only minor rust noted behind the left rear wheel. The Pinto wagon represents practical 70s Americana. Clean survivors are getting rare, and at this price, it's a quirky, solid classic that's ready to drive and enjoy. Number 15. Dodge Coupe. Price $3,000. Located, Sumter, South Carolina. Pre-war steel with serious hot rod potential. This 1938 Dodge Coupe is a restoration project that needs work and currently isn't running. It's being sold as part of an estate situation and does not currently have a title, though a lost title process may apply depending on state laws. Late 30s coupes are highly desirable in the hot rod community thanks to their flowing fenders and classic Art Deco styling. If you've been dreaming of building a traditional street rod or vintage restoration, this could be your blank canvas. Number 16. Ford F-250 HD Long Bed. Price, $2,500. Located, Biglerville, Pennsylvania. Heavy-duty classic truck alert. This 1964 Ford F-250 HD long bed is a 2WD model with inline-6 power and 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. It sat in a barn for 45 years but now runs and drives. It has a new carburetor and clear title. Body needs work and tail lights are missing, but mechanically it's described as sound. The F-250 HD models were built for serious work duty. If you're looking for a rugged vintage farm truck or restoration candidate, this is a tough old Ford with strong bones. Number 17. Ford Maverick. Price $1,000. Located, Grand Ridge, Florida. Budget classic project right here. This 1975 Ford Maverick features a 200 cubic inch inline-6 with automatic transmission. Engine will need repair or replacement, and there's some rust on lower rear quarters. No title due to Alabama's historical no-title policy at the time of purchase. The Maverick was Ford's answer to compact economy cars of the 70s. Lightweight and simple, they're popular for budget V8 swaps and drag builds. At just $1,000, this is affordable project territory. Number 18. Ford F-100 Sport Custom. Price, $2,500. Located, Bristol, Pennsylvania. Classic Denside Ford truck fans, take note. This 1972 Ford F-100 Sport Custom packs a 360 V8 with automatic transmission. It's been in long-term storage and will need work before returning to the road. But the engine spins over and the truck is complete with clear Pennsylvania title. Early 70s F-100s are hugely popular in today's classic truck market. With V8 power and strong aftermarket support, this is a solid base for a shop truck, cruiser, or full restoration build. Number 19. Lincoln Versailles. Price, $1,700. Located, Vermilion, Ohio. Luxury meets project car pricing. This 1979 Lincoln Versailles shows 72,252 miles and comes with automatic transmission and factory 9-inch rear with disc brakes. It does not currently run but turns over. Minimal rust thanks to Z-Bar treatment. Steering column is locked in park, but transmission has been shifted to neutral for towing. Clean Ohio title included. The Versailles was Lincoln's attempt at a compact luxury sedan in the late 70s. With classic blue-on-blue styling, This could be a unique restoration for someone who appreciates vintage American luxury. Number 20. Mercury Comet. Price: $900. Located: Parsonsburg, Maryland. Rounding out the list is this 1976 Mercury Comet, essentially the twin of the Ford Maverick. Finished in tan with gray interior, it's being sold as a restoration or race car project. No engine or transmission included, but the interior is complete and many new parts are still in boxes. Extra rear glass and fiberglass hood are included, plus a clean title. These compact 70s platforms are lightweight and popular for drag builds. At just $900, the parts alone may justify the price, making this a serious budget builder opportunity.